Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's happening on this hot, wicked Wednesday Dirty Bird tea session, bro. It's hot out here. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button when you get a chance. Um, Looks like after this game, it's gonna be cut to the quick. Um, Keep prayers up for Hennessy. He done for the year. Uh, it's gonna be some heavy names that come off this cut. Most notably from the receiver position and the defensive back position. It's some heavy things going on. Um, Expect to see everybody, a good dose of everybody. You're really gonna see a good dose of everybody. You probably there's gonna be some Juno Smith sightings. You're gonna see Hesse. You're gonna see Keith Smith. You're gonna see what I'm saying, all the running backs. You're gonna see the offense kind of sort of on field display that defense is gonna keep it up as the way it's been. What I'm saying, going with as the tone been set. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. We're getting down to having all the rest off. We are getting down to the green flag. Go. Y'all gotta pay attention, man. Y'all gotta, keep up with the keep up. And stop trying to keep up with these, other cats out here giving you their opinions on things because, they don't like the quarterback. You got a whole lot going on with this team. A whole lot. Okuda's gonna be back. It started the year looking like. The defensive front, which is lions, just big lions having their way. It's gonna be a pretty special year for this defense, man. Abernathy, I'm hoping. Borders, I'm hoping. If you don't make a play, you don't do something, I mean, you're pretty much out the door. Everybody that ain't, stood out or made no noise, they gonna be out of here. This thing finna go after this game, this thing is going from 90 down to 53. Just saying. There's 37 people. There's 37 people that got to get pink slips or practice squad slips. And that's only going to be about, what, 6? Out of the 37. There's going to be a lot of these cats, that came in the camp that's going to be significantly on other teams. That's going to happen because it's a lot of talent. It's a lot of talent, and some heavy talent is probably going to get cut. That's the way it is. That's how it goes. Arthur Smith, weighed in on, perceiving the talent and understanding that, some pretty notables may get cut off his team. But it's still the reckoning of iron sharpening iron. Whatever the sustainable product that's going to come out week one, trust is going to be a sustainable product. Yes, it is. Scotty Miller and Bijan are going to be matchup nightmares for the season. Matchup nightmares. Paying attention to some of the play calling, on offense. And a lot of stuff was bland, but it was bland with a little wrinkle to it. You get Bijan in motion out of the backfield into an option route, or you have, Scotty Miller coming across in motion into an option route. That's going to be deadly for any linebacker. It's going to gonna be deadly for any linebacker. Pressure. What is that? Desmond Ridder is feeling none. He is loose. He's comfortable. He's composed. He's poised. You know, he is inside of the moment. And he is eating it up. That boy, yeah, the Stone Mountain size chip on his shoulder. And look, it's going to be something to behold. A lot of you all's star requests or wants for the off season, you know, especially in free agency. Some of those guys are not looking too good. But I mean, you know, we'll see them sometime, you know, in the season. It's 2-15, not 9-8, not 13-4, possibly 15-2. It ain't just a fantasy. Defense wins championships, offense wins games. Which one do you want? It's OG Big Sam, man. Coming to you with the Wicked Wednesday tea, fellas, ladies, dirty birds. Again, hit that like and subscribe button for me. And we're gonna make this thing run. We'll be going live next week. A plug, Grumpy OG's coming soon. You know, debut spot looking like week 1. Me and the Truth. You know, Wicked Wednesday is about to become a live show. You know, we're gonna stretch it out to, you know, a half-hour mechanism, and we're gonna make it run. We're gonna make it run. This is what we're gonna do. This is where it's gonna start. So, y'all, you know, keep it cool. Stay on top of things. Make your presence known in the bins. Make your presence known in the city for these dirty birds. And y'all have a blessed day.